Today, we are diving into how to manage order-based production in Scala step by step. So let's get started. First, click the plus button at the bottom right and select Order. Since we have already set the expected delivery date in the settings, it automatically appears as 16 days later, but we can change it if needed. Similarly, because our order prefix is set as SO, this order is created with the code SO1. Now, if we want to add any extra details, we can use the text section. Great for adding notes or reminders. Under the customer option, we can either select a previously registered customer or create a new one by clicking the plus button. We can also add the address details, and if we are shipping via a carrier, enter the tracking code and link here. Alright, time to add some products to our order. Clicking the plus button opens a list of all products, semi-products, and materials in the system. We can search by stock code or product name to find what we need. Once we have selected the product or products, we hit Apply. Now here is the cool part. Since the stock card already contains the product's recipe and unit price, everything is automatically filled in. We can also check the stock availability of materials and products right here. Once everything looks good, we hit Save. At this point, we get some new buttons at the top. We can print the order as a PDF, send it via email, or click Invoice to transfer it to our accounting software. Now let's kick off the production process. We hit the Make button and Skala redirects us to the work order page, where everything is pre-filled. If needed, we can make changes here. On this screen, we see all the materials required for production with exact quantities calculated automatically. Since the production states were already saved in the stock card, they show up here as well. Once we hit Save, we get even more options. If we click Pick List, we can create a bulk purchase order for the required materials. The system automatically takes us to the purchase page, where we can adjust details, add a supplier, and hit Save to finalize the purchase order. Now let's check out the Sales section at the top menu. Here we can see the newly created order and its details. Similarly, in the Work Orders section, we can track the related work order and its production status. From here, we can either mark production as a completed or go to the Production section to start and finish specific operations. If we previously created a purchase order for the materials, we now need to receive them. To do that, we go to the Buy section in the top menu, find the purchase order, and hit Receive to confirm that the materials have arrived. Once that's done, heading back to the work order screen will show that our material stock has been updated. That means we are good to start production. Now in the Production section, we can start the operations. Operators can also do this using the mobile operator application. Let's complete the production process. Since we have set up dependencies between operations, meaning each step happens in a sequence, the next step won't start until the previous one is completed. Once production is finished, we go to the Completed Work Orders section. When we open the completed work order, we now see an Analysis button. Clicking this gives us access to all production details and costs. And now it's time for the final step, delivering the order. We head back to the Order section, click Deliver, and just like that, we have successfully completed the order-based production process in Scala. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful Scala tutorials. See you in the next one.